To the story now of a family seeking a life-saving drug for their child. As Jamaica Maitland reports, the country is out of the medication, a situation which has left the family worried.
To see him in a seizure, you can't help him, his mouth twisting, those things I thought only happen to adults.
A mother's desperate plea after her child, who was born with a rare disease and requires special medication, has run short. But it's no fault of hers, she says. The woman fills the prescription for the life-saving drugs every week from the University Hospital of the West Indies. So when the family journeyed from St. Catherine, as they usually do for the drug, they received the shocking news.
We were told that they don't have enough. Now we insisted that they would give us what they have, because if we didn't leave with a medication, we would have had no medication at all for him. We were told to call back to check on whether or not they got the medication, and we consistently called to check, and we were being told that there is a shipment coming, but they cannot say when.
The UE Pharmacy is the only health facility that has the drugs in Jamaica. According to the hospital, there's a global shortage.
Even so, somebody did not do what they should have done, because a global shortage, it doesn't just come upon you 5 minutes, 10 minutes, 15 minutes, a day, or even a week. You would have had information, or say, for example, you're working with an index. When you realize that you've reached that mark, it's time to do some ordering to prepare for a rainy season.
Now, she explains that she's forced to give the child expired drugs after not receiving any this week, the last of which he'll get today.
What I do is I throw it in the cork, the bottle cover, to ensure that it's level, no bubbles come up, to try and ensure that I get everything.
Another option is to forcefully feed the child even while he sleeps to give him the nutrients, but that too is dangerous. Additionally, the child must undergo more needle pricking to monitor his glucose level.
It feels like we should just sit with him and wait. After putting in so much into loving a child and growing a child, hoping to see something come of him, and he has a chronic illness, and we're being told by the pharmacist that it is a rare illness. It is a rare illness, but he has it. So you should have at least given us an option. Make it available so we can have it.
Jamaica Maitland, TVJ News.